This video is about adding blocks. In this video I will show you how you can add blocks from end to end. So if you need to add blocks, you need to go to this happygreenery.in/admin. This is the URL. So this is the admin panel. You need to enter password. After entering, click. So these are all multiple tabs we call. You need to click on this add block tab. So it is asking for some title. To test with blog, I am taking this dummy blog post. So here we need to give first one title. So let's copy. So it will automatically create slug. This is called slug. So when you open some blogs, let's say, let's click this one. See, this is called slug from here to here. So it needs to be unique for every blog you post. So let's say if you post another blog and it will be same with this slug, it may cause error, not in your website, but when it comes to search engine, it will cause us some error. So you need to make it unique for every blog. Let's say if you want to go with same title but do some changes like /1 -1, like this we can do that. And make sure only to add words, I mean letters, not go with numbers like that. Only use this kind of format, that will be nice. Automatically if you give title, it will be automatically created this slug. So after adding this title and slug, you need to go for select category, which category this blog belong to. You can click plant care. Yeah, this is going to be plant care we just selected. After this we need to select h1 heading. The h1 heading is this one. You can give same title and h1 heading has to be same. And after this you need to add image. To add image you need to click on like this and click on this image. It will show us like this section to add images. If you click on choose file, it will show some directories where your image exists, and you will click here this image and open. So this is the image URL. Don't change this image URL, it will automatically get created, right? So if you do this change, it may cause some errors. So make sure it has to be same like this, and this is the image. It will show us like this, and you need to add some alt text to this image. Alt text, maybe you could add like something like this. Make sure you need to have this kind of alt text for every image. This is mandatory one. You need to add what is this image about, and when people search in Google related to some topic, if you want your image to be ranked and appear based on the search, so in the like that search you need to mention it here. Okay, let's say I will show you. Copy this, and if you click on this, if you just given this search, right, so based on relating to that, it will give some images because they have given alt text to this image with this content. So if you want same kind of results, you need to add this alt text. And after adding alt text, go with this kind of format. First we added title, h1 heading. Below that h1 heading we have this image. After image, let's go with some paragraph of text that will be nice for the user to view. If you want, you can add multiple images. To add multiple images, you just need to click and click on image. Now in this case you don't need this paragraph, right? You need to remove this. This will remove this paragraph, and you can select image. Right now I don't suggest one image below another. Just go with some text below image. So I will paste this paragraph here. and I will go with H2 heading. I will paste, and only you have to have one H1 heading for one blog, not to use multiple H1 tags. Only one H1 tag per one blog, and you can use multiple H2 headings in your blog. And for this H2 heading, I want this paragraph. Select, and if you want to paragraph below paragraph, you need to select like this. Select any of these, I mean these sections, so it will just create like that. After, if you want paragraph below paragraph, you need to remove this between which we added section. So like this, paragraph and paragraph, it will varies like this. I will go with another paragraph. Now I will select H2 heading, and now I will select this. Now I will select image, choose file. I will select this one. It will automatically get created. This some image is uploaded to this file path. You don't need to change this file path, and you need to give this alt text, and make sure you use different alt text for different images based on what is related to. You can give that alt text like this. I give, and after this give some paragraph. Give this, and after adding all this, you can go with link as well. Let's say if you want to give like buy this plant, and we have already created some products in our blog, I mean shop page, right? So we can link it from here. So this is called slug, and this is the full URL for this product, but we need to add different. I will go with aloe vera. This is the full URL you need to copy to link this product. I will paste this URL here. Yeah, like this. Make sure this is the format you follow. First title, slug, section, which this blog belong to, and after this H1 heading, image, some paragraph, only one H1 heading per blog, H2 heading, paragraph of text, H2 heading, image, paragraph of text, and at the end you can add link, and also between also you can add as per your choice. Yeah, after done, you need to click on this create blog. Right now it won't show us any confirmation message. I will add that as well in later. So after adding blog, go to our blog section. So this is the blog we just created now, and this is the slug. You can see, make sure it is to be unique for all blogs. Yeah, this is how it looks after adding blog, and make sure you need to add this kind of wider image rather than vertically higher height. See, when you look at this image, this vertical height is very high, so when user comes to this website, they need to scroll up and down to see this full image. Instead, when you see this image, they just say, they just glance it at once. They don't need to scroll to see full image. So this is one suggestion from my end. If you want to upload image, this kind of image you upload, when it comes to this ratio, this is called ratio. Like rectangular image you can use rather than vertical lengthy image. Yeah, that is all. And here you have this button by this plant, like this it will appear. Yeah, that's all for this video about adding blog. If you want any changes regarding this, you can just text. Yeah, that's all.